Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do so you get the latest alerts of when I post a new video. For today's look, I'm doing this navy blue eyeliner with this bright pink lip. A little bit different than my normal routine, but I kind of want to do something outside the box and a little bit more fun. So I'm excited to show you this. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep watching. So today, since I'm focusing in on my eye makeup routine only, I've already gone ahead and done all of my face makeup as well as my eyebrows, so I can really show you all the different components to putting on my eyeshadow today. So to get started with today's look, I'm thinking what color I'm going to start with. I'm using this Vise Art Paris Nudes palette. It's our Paris Nudes 6 palette. So it has a lot of great kind of beautiful rosy pink colors and grays and champagnes, which I think is going to go perfect with the look I'm trying to do today. So to get started, I am kind of going to go in with this beautiful rosy gold color. Unfortunately, they don't tell you what the names of these colors are. So I'm just going to show you which color it is, and I'm going to basically apply that into the crease of my eye. I'm going to start blending outwards into the corner of my eye in a very circular motion. So again, remember, you don't want to be applying too much product at once because there's always room to add. Once you've kind of applied too much, it's really hard to take that away without having to really sweep off the eyeshadow and reapply. So I'm going to get a little bit more of that. It's a really pretty color. And I'm gonna kind of again move that into the corner of my eye. Cool. And now I'm gonna go in, I'm kind of doing this eyeshadow routine on a whim, so I'm kind of deciding what I want to do at this moment in time. I am gonna go in and I think do this kind of lighter, I don't know what you call it, like a peachy pink. It's very light. And I'm gonna kind of start layering that into kind of right below the initial color. So today my focus is gonna be way more on my eyeliner because I'm doing a navy blue eyeliner from Stila. So I'm not trying to overdo it on my shadow as much. Ooh, I really like that color. And then I think I'm just gonna use my one of my brushes to add a little bit of kind of light champagne-y color underneath my brows. So I'm gonna go in with this corner, what side would that be? The corner right. I don't know my directions very well. This corner right color at the top. Dab off a little bit of product and start working that underneath my brow. So now that the base color of my eyes is done, I'm going to go in with a little bit of shimmer. So I'm using this Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. I kind of got a set of these, kind of look like this, but I got 3 colors, so I'm going to pick which color I think works best. I haven't opened these, so I'm actually not 100% sure which one is going to go best with the eyeshadow look I'm doing right now. To take out. So let's see. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and see which one I'm vibing with the most. I think I'm going to go in and use Kitten, which is the second color. And when I use this product, I'm basically going to work it from the corner of my eye, basically about 1/3 of the way up my lid. So I'm just going to put a little bit of product, and it's very pigmented, so you don't need a ton. And I'm kind of just gonna layer that on it from the corner. And then with a small brush, I'm basically gonna start working that product from the corner and slightly up. So I'm gonna kind of get into my crease a little bit. I wanna make sure it's blended. And then kind of just start working up. And sometimes I just like to use my finger too to make sure I'm getting it in the right places. And as you can see there, there we go. Get the product where I need it to be. And it's not a big deal if it's not perfect, because you are gonna blend this out with the initial color I used to make sure that everything looks very cohesive. Oh, I really like that color. It's super pretty, it's very shimmery. So now I'm gonna go back in with that initial rose gold color and get a little bit of product and tap it off, and then kind of work back into my crease to make sure that everything looks really blended together. And then I think I'm just gonna get a little bit more on my finger, just really lightly, and kind of dab it back on. There's no perfect way of doing this, but you definitely wanna make sure it looks, that it pops, but it's very blended in with the rest of your eyeshadow. Okay, I think that is perfect. Okay, so I love these. These are awesome. Big recommendation on those. And now I'm pretty much done with I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit more. Pretty much done with my eyeshadow, I think. Maybe I'll add if I feel like I need a little bit more pizzazz once I put on my eyeliner. But for today, I am using this Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. However, it is in the color Intense Sapphire. So I'm using this navy blue color. I rarely use like different color liquid liners, but this looks really fun. Sorry, I'm having a really hard time getting this out of the package. So I just got this, and I am super curious to see how it looks. So I have this handy dandy little handheld mirror that I'm gonna use while I put on my liquid liner. So like any of my other liquid liner, I'm going to apply the same shape. It's just obviously in a different color. So I'm gonna start by working in, I can never talk and do eyeliner at the same time, but I'm gonna start by working in through the middle of my eye and then kind of create that dot where I'm gonna fully connect my wing. So I am really liking this blue eyeliner. One thing I have to say about this Stila eyeliner is it's really hard to get some product out of it. So it was a little bit drying when I was trying to apply, which kind of made it a little bit difficult to get the product on my face. But the color itself, I think, is fantastic. This particular eyeliner though, I don't know if it's my favorite. That's why I've always used my Kat Von D tattoo liner, but not that I would never use this product again. It just is a little bit hard to apply eyeliner the way I would like it to with how this product is. Maybe I need to shake it a little bit more. I'm not sure, but love the color. Product is okay. So now that eyeliner is applied, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of shadow underneath my lid. I'm actually gonna do two different shadows. So one, I'm gonna use that initial kind of rosy gold color for underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna apply this with this pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30 pencil brush. And I'm applying that product underneath my eye. The other color I'm gonna go in with as well is this beautiful blue tone. It's on the lower right-hand corner. And I'm gonna add a little bit of that product, dab it off a little bit, and then kind of work it more into just the outer corner of my eye. Just to make sure I'm getting very precise, I'm gonna use this mirror again. And now that that is applied, I'm going to go in and add some, I'm wondering if I do want to do fake lashes or if I don't. I'm kind of on the fence. With this look, I actually think I'm just going to do mascara. So I'm just going to do mascara today. So I'm actually using a different mascara today, only because I got this as a sample and I really wanted to try it out. So I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. So I'm going to use some of this mascara and just layer that onto my lashes. I never use any other mascara, so this is kind of a big deal. So I'll let you know what I think. So far, very thick, but definitely adding a lot of volume. I think it's a little bit more chunky than got a little bit on my lid, take that off. A little bit more chunky than I like on my mascara. Definitely more on the thicker volume side than it is on the full length side, but I'm not hating on it yet. When I typically tend to start to dislike mascaras, it's not when I initially put it on. It's usually when I'm wearing it throughout the day, because it'll start either like there'll be some fallout or it'll start smearing a little bit. That's when I've always been, I always go back to my Dior one, because that is one thing that my Dior Overcurl mascara doesn't do. Okay, and then to top off today's look, I am gonna go in and do my lips. So for a little bit of a lip balm, I'm so disorganized all the time. I'm gonna go in with my Nurse Jamie New Lips RX lip balm, and I'm gonna put a little bit to the back of my finger and put it on my lips just to moisturize. So now that lip balm has been applied, I'm gonna go in with my lip liner. So for today, I am using the Butter London lip liner in the color Really Rose. So it's this really nice pinky rose tone. And I'm just gonna line my lips with that color before I add a nice pink matte lipstick. I'll just fill in my lips a little bit with it too. I'm basically getting my lip pink already before I put on my lipstick. Okay, so lip liner's on. And next one I'm gonna use is, well, let's see, I'm between two colors. I have this L'Oreal color. This one looks a little bit, not bad. I think I want to do a little bit more pinky. So I am going to use this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the color, what color is it? Oh, the color Devotion. I think that's the color. That might be completely wrong, but that's the only word I'm seeing that could probably be the color of the lipstick. So I am going to apply this all over my lips. This also smells really good. Yeah, that is the exact tone I was going for. A little bit more. Oh, I'm addicted to the color of the smell of this. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about how I got it or any of the products that I use, please feel free to let me know. I would also love to see you guys recreate this look and tag me in posts on Instagram so I can see what this look looks like on you. Again, I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it was fun to watch, and I will see you next time.